Did you know that some frogs are basically real-life superheroes? Imagine being frozen solid in a block of ice all winter, and then just thawing out in the spring and hopping away like nothing happened. Well, some frog species can do exactly that. It's one of the most incredible survival tricks in the animal kingdom. But that's just the beginning of their weird and wonderful world. Think about how you drink water. Now, forget all of that, because frogs don't drink. Instead, they absorb all the water they need directly through their skin. It's like having a built-in full-body sponge. And speaking of incredible body parts, let's talk about their eyes. When a frog swallows a big juicy bug, its eyes actually sink down into its head. This isn't just a weird quirk. It helps push the food down its throat. Talk about using your head to eat. Now, let's get into some rapid-fire frog facts. Ever seen a bunch of frogs together? You're not just looking at a group, you're witnessing an army of frogs. And you've probably heard of the brightly colored poison dart frogs, right? Their famous toxicity doesn't come from within. They actually get it from the insects they eat in the wild. It's a classic case of you are what you eat. The diversity in the frog world is just mind-blowing. The world's smallest frog is tiny enough to sit comfortably on your fingernail at less than a centimeter long. On the other end of the scale, you have the Goliath frog, which can weigh more than a newborn baby, over 3 kilograms. That's a whole lot of frog. But what about their famous jumping skills? A frog can leap more than 20 times its own body length. For a human, that would be like jumping the entire length of a basketball court in a single bound. They also have one of the fastest tongues in nature, snatching their prey in less than 0.07 seconds, literally faster than the blink of an eye. And here's one more for you. Frogs are masters of breathing. They have lungs just like us, but they can also breathe through their skin, which is super useful when they're hanging out underwater, from building foam nests to protect their eggs, to their amazing physical feats. Frogs are truly some of the most fascinating creatures on our planet. Now you know. All right, here's a challenge for you. Can you guess what part of their body does most of the absorbing? Drop your answers in the comments. Then, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, or follow button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure.